get the front end for this code. Let me just start the server first. npm start is the command. Well, the server is started. Let's check out Firefox and write localhost 8080, as 8080 is the port that I have given to run the server on localhost machine. So I'll just, yeah, this is the home page. Not much here on the home page. Let's just check out, before we see anything else, let's just check out the database. As you can see, the database, this is the DB authentication development. It has nothing. Let me just refresh. Oh, sorry, these are sessions. Yeah, so the database users has no user in it, so we can just sign up. I can fill in my name here, and the date of birth. Let's just go with anything, and the email address, a password. As you can see here, it is handled using JavaScript for the front-end validation. So I can add Amir 1, 2, and 3, and it says your password is great, yeah. And same password goes here, 1, 2, 3, yeah. So it's a match. So we can just sign up. Well, if we have, yeah, sign up. It gives a notification here. It's handled using Node T and Flash messages. So account has been created and we can just sign in. Yeah. Before that, let's check out users. Here, object is created, having all the necessary details. Let's just log in. If we can also see that we have links here on the sign in page. We don't have an account, so we'll be redirected to sign up, or there is a link to go back to sign in. Then forget password. We'll check this out. We can return back to sign in for now, and this is for Google sign in. Yeah. Let's just go for amirhafiz@gmail.com and enter our password, Amir123. Well, let's just enter wrong password first, Amir. That's it. And try to log in. Username password incorrect. We can try again. And Amir123 and just log in. Let's see. Here's the home page. It shows all the details that we are already logged in. We can see here we have three things for home, change password, and logout. Even through the neighbor we can just log out. So we just logged out and the session was destroyed. Other than that, let's check out sign in for using Google account. So okay, I was already logged in, so it didn't show me much. Let me just sign out for a second. Yeah. After that we can just log in again, sign in using Google account, and this shows, yeah. So I can just click here, and I need to enter my password. I don't know my password. Enter your password. Let me just pause this video for a second. So let's just click next. Don't save. And yeah, we signed in. So we can just change password, or let's just forget password for now. We can click on sign in and go to forget password, and we can send whatever email we want, but it should exist in our DB. Let's just type something that's not existed. So simply, and this shows no user found. Or we can just get this and send recent link, and it sends a recent link. Let's just go to our account, check if we got it. Yeah, I have given a sample email. And this creates a temporary password. Now we can log in using this password. Let me just copy this and then type in gmail.com and just type in, just paste this password here and log in. As you can see, that's the same password. Then we can just change the password if we want. So the new password, let me just type Amir 1, 2, and 3, similar, AMIR 1, 2, and 3, and we can reset. So that's the new password. The password has been changed, and that's more like it for the front end, for our functionalities. And we can go to see what code we have written. So here, as you can see, there are some libraries that we have installed. Like we have installed bcrypt for as we can see, the password that has been stored is actually a hash, so it's totally hashed. It cannot be converted back to the password. We have cookie parser for cookie session, create sessions, passport for authentication. Both passport local and passport Google have been used. Mongo store node mailer to send emails. Random string to generate a random string of password. The mail that we generated here, the password that we generated here was because of this random string. After that, flash to show notifications, mostly that. And this is how we set up uh, SAS middleware, asset files, a cookie parser, URL encoded for that body, for getting form details easy, express layouts and extract styles, extract scripts, so that we can directly put our scripts and styles in our layout.ejs. We have set up session, initialized passport session, flash, custom middleware we have created in config middleware.js. So that we have used it as a middleware. And roots, set a view engine EJS template, and here we are listening to server. It works or not. Well, let's go all the roots. The index is here. We just render our home page using home controller.home. We have written the function in home controller. It just renders with a title, nothing more. And after that, in the same index.js, we have used app.use for /users if the URL is of type like this. So it will route to our users.js file, and here we have different routes that are handled. Different functions have been handled by these routes with passport. So before we dive in these functions, let's just check out passport local strategy. This is the configuration file. So this is the settings that have been used, and a bcrypt has been used here. Bcrypt is generally to make password into hash. I'll be explaining one of the usage of bcrypt. Like let's just